If you have ever thought about starting an e-commerce business, this is the sign for you to start right now. I'm going to start one from absolute zero, and the challenge that I'm giving myself is, can I go from nothing, completely new store, to can I get my first sale within 30 days? And I want you to go on this challenge with me. So I want you to just follow along. I'm just going to go pretty much click by click, and you can create a store at the same time, and let's see together if we can get a sale in 30 days. And let me know in the comments if you're going through this. Like and subscribe if you're not already. But we're going to be using a platform called AutoDS. So it's an all-in-one e-commerce platform. They have store creation, product sourcing, order fulfillment, all kind of under one roof. Build the actual store, I'm going to be using their BuildYourStore.ai. I mean, that sounds like it was made for me. BuildYourStore.ai. And this link will be in the description so you can walk along with me and start your own store. But step 1, click Build Your Free Store. Step 2, we're going to put in name and email address and sign up. How did you hear from us? James Pelton. All right, so now we're going to pick our niche. So for this particular store, I'm going to do sports and fitness. The reason is, you know, AI is taking over the world, but people still are going to need to get fit, even if AI does everything. Have you seen WALL-E? Those people needed to work out. So then they give us 6 banner options for our website. This, couple working out together, that seems very cute. I'm going to pick those 2 banners. So next you need a Shopify account. Shopify gives you free for 3 days, and then it's $1 a month for 3 months. So what I like about this is that you can really try it out. If we're doing a 30-day challenge to get our first sale, well, we really get about 90 days for free to make sure this is something we're going to stick with, that it's actually going to work. So, and I'm just going to do the basic plan. That's plenty for what we need. We're going to sell, it's an online store. It's a new business. We'll decide what we'll sell later. And you need a store name. You can use ChatGPT. I'm going to do Jimbo Fitness. That sounds like a cool name for a fitness e-commerce store. So we have a blank Jimbo Fitness store here right now. So we're going through Build Your Store checklist. So we got our Shopify account. What's next? Okay, next they're wanting the URL to the store. So we're just going to go here and get the URL to the admin of the store. Click Save. Done. I love checklists. Thank you, Build Your Store, for a nice checklist. Then they want you to subscribe for Shopify. I already did that step. So we're going to go to Done. Now we need to install the app. So the Build Your Store app. So we'll just click that. Goes right into Shopify. Lets you install the app there. So you have the option for a professional one product store where they do write the copyright for you and it's a better design, but I'm going to just do the free one. We'll see if we can do this with the free 30-day challenge. All right, next is customize my store, and this is where AI gets to work actually building my store. So store is all up and running. So I mean that takes all of about 30 seconds and you have your store up. It's a pretty nice template. It looks nice on mobile size. So again, a design like this used to cost, at least $100, $200, $300. But now AI, this is all built automatically. So of course it's AI created, but if you want to go in and edit the theme, you can. You can, customize the way it looks if you want different colors, whatever. So we have a store now, but we have no products. These are all just placeholder products. So that brings us back to our checklist where we're actually going to connect to AutoDS and get products added to our store. So we click register to AutoDS, and they have a deal going on right now too where it's a $1 trial. So now for $2, $1 to Shopify, $1 to AutoDS, but you can try this out. So we're going to be selling on Shopify. We could do other things later, and we'll just do the 200. I don't know that we need 500 products right now. So we are all paid there, the $1. Let's hit done. So next we're going to install their app as well. So now with the AutoDS app here, we have a whole list of products here. The site's even looking better now. I just needed to give it a while. There's our banners with the nice happy couple. So, but this new app we installed, we go to the marketplace, lots of products that we can add. Oh, definitely this one. And this is a massive catalog of products from verified suppliers. So you can filter by where they ship to. I'm in the US, going to ship there. Where they ship from. Let's say I only want to ship from the US also. Good. That mace bell is still there. I'm eyeing that. If you have a specific supplier you want from or a specific price range, I'm definitely going to add this mace bell. So it's $49. I think that's pretty cheap for this. Probably could sell for like $60. import that one. You can go over to AutoDS, and it's actually, they have even more options. Like they have these hand-picked products. And this is great if you're just starting out. These are basically products that they have verified are working well and selling well. Here's sports and fitness. Let's go to best sellers. What do you know? That Mace Bell was a bestseller. I knew it right when I saw it. We'll add a couple more things here. We'll have these sweatbands here. Do we need some yoga pants? I'm always needing one of these. The cable attachment. I'm going to go ahead and import that. So they started us out with some different products, to kind of start our store out. Then we also have the 3 that we added. So, and these are all on the store now. So here they all are. Here's our steel mace bell. That's the one I'm most excited about. So really, this is step 1 of getting your store going, is we have a place that people can go buy. So connected with AutoDS, so it keeps track of the inventory for those products we added and everything. So these are ready to sell right now. So this is really the easy part, is getting a store set up. Again, AI, this whole process took like 2 minutes to get a store up and running. The hard part is getting eyes on your products. How do you actually sell these products? And for this challenge, I'm going to try to not spend a dime on ads to get started. So you can start putting money into ads and get sales that way. I'm going to try just organic content to drive traffic. So I'm going to do short form videos, probably start up a new TikTok account, maybe an Instagram Reels. But these platforms are basically free reach right now. And my plan, let me know if you want me to continue this. Step 2 of this. Step 1, I want you all to do this part. Get a store set up so you have something. Then video 2, we'll go through and start trying to get some eyes on these videos using TikTok or Instagram Reels or something like that. Basically, you make videos around your products. So you film, you yourself using the weight machine or whatever it is that you're trying to sell. You can post just 30 seconds of you talking about it, showing it a little bit, and start posting these on TikTok and Instagram. And I'm going to probably post once or twice a day on each. And some of these will flop. Nobody will see them. That's totally fine. You just need one to start getting a few eyes. And you'll be surprised how quickly, if you just post consistently to TikTok, how quickly your TikTok account will grow. So step 1, we have a live website. Let me know in the comments if you have a live website. Post the link down below. I'd love to check it out. The 30-day clock starts now. And I love, again, since we're hooked up to AutoDS, you don't have to do anything. If someone buys, it's automatically hooked up to their dropshipping system and it'll get shipped to the person automatically. So you're done with the store side of things. But let me know if you want to see step 2 where we start getting eyes on this. I would love to create that. Hop on this journey with me. Again, let me know in the comments who is doing this with me. We can all compare results. We can share our wins, share our losses. We'll laugh, we'll cry. It'll be a great time. Link down below, BuildYourStore.ai/James-Pelton. Get started for free. We'll see you in there. God bless you guys and have a great rest of your day.